The next topic of Unit 1st is an ode. An ode is a type of lyrical stanza. It is an elaborately structured poem praising or glorifying an event or an individual. Now we will discuss the main characteristics of an ode. An ode is of Greek origin. It is a serious and dignified composition. It is longer than common lyric. It is in the form of an address. Here, I also want to tell you that the term ode was coined from the Greek verb and its meaning is to sing. Now we will discuss the types of ode. The first type of ode is regular or pindaric ode. The regular or pindaric ode in English is after Pindar's form. This form was introduced into English by Ben Jonson's ode to the immortal memory and friendship of that noble pair. The example of regular ode is Thomas Gray's The Progress of Poesy, which was written in 1757. The second type of ode is the irregular ode. The irregular ode was introduced in 1656 by Abraham Cole. He did not accept the Pindaric style. He established his own pattern of ode. William Wordsworth has used this form in his work Ode on the Intimations of Immortality. The next one is the Horatian ode. The Horatian ode is a poem with meter and rhyme. It is devoted to praising a person, animal, or object. It was modeled on the matter, tone, and form of the odes of the Roman Horace. Horatian odes are calm, meditative, and colloquial. The famous romantic poet John Keats was the greatest writer of odes. Ode to Autumn, Ode to Nightingale, Ode to a Grecian Aunt are some famous odes of John Keats. Now I will discuss the difference between ode and the lyric. Ode is longer than lyric. Lyric is subjective in mood or emotion, while ode may be composition of abstract reality. Ode is dignified in language and thought, while a lyric is simple. Ode may be regular or irregular in structure, but the theme of an ode is dignified and serious, philosophical and reflective. The next topic is the ballad. Literally, ballad means a dancing song. It is a song to be sung by dancers. The term ballad is derived from the word ballare, which means to dance. The ballad arose out of folk literature. A ballad is composed in simple stanzas, generally of 2 or 4 lines. The well-known ballads are John Keats' famous ballad La Belle Dame Sans Mercy, and Coleridge's The Rime of Ancient Mariner.